Yeah. So I see it dripping.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh yeah, wow. It's like a waterfall coming out of there.
It's amazing, isn't it?
That's dangerous.
It was worse yesterday. When he did it, it was like buckets coming out.
And the water seems to be extending.
Oh, look at this. Oh, I just got drenched.
Be careful. Could be bad water. Wow. Okay, that is so not good. Well, the plants are getting watered. Okay.